A search operation on open ground in County Wicklow, led by Gardaí, investigating the disappearance and murders of two women in the 1990s, has ended for the night. Jojo Dullard was last seen in Moon in Kildare in 1995. Deirdre Jacob disappeared near her home in Newbridge in 1998. It's understood Gardaí are acting on new information that has come to light in recent times. The search will resume tomorrow and is expected to continue for a number of days.
A Garda search underway on the Wicklow-Kildare border today to try and answer questions that are almost 30 years old. This piece of ground near Baltinglass, the source of investigators' efforts to find out more about what happened in two of the most high-profile missing persons cases in modern times, those of Jojo Dullard and Deirdre Jacob. 21-year-old Jojo Dullard was last seen on the 9th of November 1995 when, after socialising in Dublin, she missed the last bus home to Callan in County Kilkenny. Instead, she boarded a bus to Naas in County Kildare, then took lifts to Moon and phoned a friend to say she intended to hitch a lift the rest of the way. It was the last anyone heard from her. 18-year-old Deirdre Jacob was last seen on the 28th of July 1998, crossing the road towards the entrance to her home at Rosebery in Newbridge in County Kildare. She was carrying a distinctive black satchel-type bag that has never been found. The patch of land now being searched will be subject to excavation, technical and forensic examinations over the coming days. Gardaí say they're keeping an open mind and will follow up any information which is brought to the Serious Crime Review team.
Well, let's speak to Samantha, who joins us now from County Wicklow this evening. And cases that have stumped Gardaí for 3 decades, Samantha. What is the latest on what's happening in terms of these searches, and how significant do detectives think they could be?
Well, Ray, a number of searches have taken place over the past 3 decades for both of these women, who were both part of the original Operation Trace in the late 1990s, which was an investigation into 6 missing women from the Leinster area, all who disappeared without a trace. And they've been linked with different suspects in the past. They've been linked with the same suspect in the past. But what's significant about today is that the 2 women are both being linked with this site in County Wicklow where that search is underway. And both cases were upgraded to murder in recent times. Now, the site that was the focus today, I understand that Gardaí have been aware of it for some time, but this is the first time that they've carried out any kind of formal search in that area. And their activity today appeared to be quite focused. They dug quite deep and quite quickly in one particular area. And my understanding is that they're acting on information that is deemed to be sufficient enough to carry out an investigation of this scale. And their focus is on recovering items that may be of evidential value in this wider investigation. But of course, the reality is that often with these searches, they may not yield any evidence, and that is a possibility in this case. Now, the families have been informed ahead of this search and will be informed as it progresses. They haven't made any comment on what's been happening today. The search finished at about 5 o'clock this evening. It's due to resume at first light tomorrow, and it's expected to go on for a number of days. And Gardaí are once again appealing for anyone who may have information about either of these missing person cases, no matter how small they may feel it is, to contact them.
Samantha Library, thank you.